Okay, hello guys, I just hope everyone is doing well because I'm also fine. So in this lesson guys, what I'll be doing a correction of those questions that I sent from my previous lesson. So if guys you doubt yourself, you are free to view this because these are the corrections. So if you see such question like this one, they need you to reduce the angle. Reducing the angle, guys, it's straightforward. There is nothing hard here. What do? You identify this angle there. This angle there, it is lying on which quadrant? If you can take a look there, here we got 0, we got 90, we got what here? We got 180, we got 270, and we got 360. So this number, guys, it is between 90 and 180, meaning this thing there, it is lying on the second quadrant. Something like here, we move from 0 until there by that number. Do you see? And here I can even join my triangle in that quadrant. And another thing, guys, that you can do is for you to say all students take coffee. Here, all students take coffee. So by doing that, all students take coffee. This thing, it will help you there to know that here it's only sign which is positive. And the last thing that you should get there, it's a position of this quadrant. I know that when I move that side, I move with a positive direction. But when I move here, I move with a negative direction. So if I'm on 180 and I move this, it means that I'm moving with a negative direction. But now if I'm moving here, that's 180 plus theta. So these are the position that you should know. So I'll use that position, guys, to reduce this thing there. I know that this thing is sine. This is a position that I have. And that position, guys, here on a second quad, it produces positive sine theta. Do you see? So now let me apply now that knowledge. This thing there is sine 180 minus pi. What number should I put it here? When I minus it with 180, I should get that 122. So that number, guys, it is this one there, that number. 180 minus by this. So it means that it's what? It's 58. Do you see? And now I can reduce now this thing, it's a position on a second quadrant. Meaning now I will get positive sine, I reduce the angle. Just like that. Do you see? So even as well as this one, if you can take a look, this one, guys, this angle, it is on a second quadrant. These two questions are similar. Do you see? Here, because we are using the same position, by the way, meaning here this thing will just be tan 180 minus. So here this thing there is just tan. But in this position, guys, in this position, it's only sine which is positive. Meaning that tan there, it's negative there. Here it's negative, tan there. Do you see? Then write the angle. So now I should find out what number can I put it there. When I separate it with 180, I should get this there. For me, guys, to find that number, this is what I will do. I'll just say 180. I'll just say top minus below there. Just like this minus by this. So it means that there I'll just get negative 35. And don't forget that this thing there, it represents the position on a second quadrant. And on a second quadrant, the tan there, it's negative. It's only sine there which is positive. Tan, this thing, it's negative. Then you reduce the angle. Then you leave your answer like that there. That angle, guys, it is what you call acute angle there. Do you see? Yeah. It is between 0 and 90, this angle. All the time when you reduce, you should leave your answer with the angle which is between 0 and 90 there. Do you see? Then talking with this one, do you see this thing? This now, it is on which quadrant, guys? If I can take a look, it is on a second quadrant. I move until there. Here I got 180, here I got 270, that's 360, 0, and 90. And now that I can even join my triangle there. All the time the triangle will touches the x values. And you can say them, all students take coffee. From what guys I explained there, moving this direction, this thing there, it's 180, that's plus theta there, because when I move that direction, that's positive theta. That is the position that I should use there. So let's use, guys, this position. Using this position for this question, this is what you do. This is the position that we have, which is plus theta, which is that's 180 plus. So here is just tan. You see, 180 plus there. What number can I put there? When I add it with 180, I should get this value. That number, guys, for you to know it, just say this minus 180 there, upwards minus below. So it means there that number there, it's 11. This, it's 11. And I also know that this thing there, it's position on a third quadrant. On a third quadrant, the tan there, it's positive here. So that is what will happen there. This thing there, it's a position on a third quadrant, meaning the tan there, it's positive there in that quadrant. We got positive tan 11. Reduce the angle. Just like that there. Do you see? So coming for this one, guys, if you can take a look, this thing there, it is on a second quadrant because it is above 90 there. It is between 90 and this day. It is above 90, meaning it is on a second quadrant. So that I'll just say on a second quadrant, but this thing there, it's for cos there. So applying this knowledge, that's 180 minus. What number can I put it here, guys? When I subtract with 180, I should get 99. That number, guys, for you to know it, just say number which is upwards minus the below. This one, meaning that I'll get negative 81. Do you see? And I also know that this thing, guys, it's a position on a second quadrant. On a second quadrant, and there it's only sign which is positive, meaning that cos there it's negative, cos there. Do you see? So now I will apply this thing here. This thing, it's a position on a second quadrant, and cos there it's negative, and now I can reduce the what? The angle. Leave your answer like this then. Do you see? Then for this one, this thing there, it is on which quadrant? It is on a second quadrant. Yeah, it is on a third quadrant. This thing there, it is on a third quadrant there. Do you see? And there was no need for me to draw this because it's there, guys. But let me just keep going. This thing there is just all students take coffee, meaning there I move until here. And I know the position there, it's 180 plus theta. Yeah, this is what just you're supposed to understand, guys. Just know the position there. So using this position here, that's 180 plus theta, but for sine, and in this quadrant, it's only tan which is positive, meaning that sine there, it's negative there. Do you see? Yeah. So let's apply this information according to the question. According to the question now, this is what we're supposed to do. Plus, what number can I put here? When I add it with 180, I should get 216. That number, guys, it is this one. They just say up minus below. Just like this, then minus below. So it means there it's positive 36. So now I can reduce this thing. This thing there, it's a position, and it's on a third quadrant. This position there, it's on a third quadrant, and sine there, it's negative. Negative sine, then reduce the angle. Just like this. Then coming for this one then, but this one now it is on a third it is on a fourth this then. It is in this quadrant. I move until there. It is on a fourth quadrant between 70 and 360. Do you see? Meaning that I will draw my triangle like this. And all students take coffee. The position, guys, in this quadrant, we know when we move that side, we move on a positive direction. But now if I'm here, I move that side, I'm on 360, I move on a negative direction there. Do you see? Yeah. So let me use this thing. There's a position, which is that's minus by theta. But for cos, I know in this quadrant, I'll produce positive cos there. So let's apply this information here, meaning this thing there, it's cos 360 minus, what number can I put it here? When I minus it to 360, I should get 300. Obvious, that number, guys, it's 60, that one. Do you see? And I know that this thing there, it's a position on the fourth quadrant, and cos there, it's positive. Cos them. That positive cos reduce the angle. That angle, all of these angles, guys, all of these one are what to call acute. Acute. Ish, this word, guys, it's hard to pronounce this thing. I don't know, is it correct and stuff? Acute. These, they are between 0 and 90 degrees. Doing these two last questions, you can even stop the lesson and take a try there. And after now, guys, I believe now you know this thing, no doubt. For this one, this thing there, it is on which quadrant? This thing there, it is between 180 and 270 there, meaning that this thing there, it is on a second quadrant there. It is on this quadrant. Okay. Let me just draw it, So just like this there, I move until there, which is, it is between 180 and 270. Yeah. All students take coffee. Here we've got a position which is plus theta, but here we've got a position which is minus theta. Here we've got 360 minus theta. Yeah. So now what I will do there, I will just take this information and come and use it here. This thing there, it's 180 plus theta, but for cos. In this position, guys, in this position, it's only tan which is positive, meaning cos there, it's negative there. And now let me apply this information, all of this information here, meaning that it will just be cos 180 plus, what angle can I put it here when I add it with 118? With 180, I should get that 230. I think that one is supposed to be 60 or 50. I think it's 50. Just do this thing if you are not sure. Just say this minus by this, meaning this thing there, it's 50 there. So, and now what I can do, this is a position on a third quadrant, and their cos there, it's negative, then you can reduce the angle. Just like that. This one, guys, is just a bonus, I'll just leave it to you, this one. Yeah. This thing there, it is on which quadrant? Just try to figure it out by yourself, So anyway, guys, thank you for your time. All the best in your studies. God bless you.